How to create multiple choice in Quizlet. Want to add multiple choice questions to your Quizlet sets? Let's walk through the process step by step. So, first and foremost, sign into your Quizlet account on the web or the mobile app. And then once you're signed in, you'd be taken here. So, in here, simply click on this practice task button, which you'd basically find at the left side of your screen. You can also find this once you click on this plus icon at the top right and then click on practice task, and that will take you into this page. So, in here, you need to upload the file of that specific set wherein you want to create a multiple choice question. So simply click on this browse files button to get the file from your local drive and then click on open. And the file would be uploaded. Now once the file is uploaded to Quizlet, you can go ahead and click on this generate button, and Quizlet will then generate the practice task for you wherein you'd be able to find multiple choice for each question generated by Quizlet from the file you uploaded. And that is how to create multiple choice in Quizlet.